Good morning, this is Megan Taylor with the National Weather Service in Flagstaff, here with your daily monsoon outlook. Today's Wednesday, July 21st. Our threat level for today is scattered, as we expect another day of scattered showers and thunderstorms across northern Arizona. We'll dive right into it here, taking a look at forecast radar projections for this afternoon. We have ample monsoon moisture in place, and daytime heating is expected to heat things up this afternoon. We're going to see scattered showers and thunderstorms again develop during the afternoon and evening hours. As we watch this forecast radar loop, you can see things initially develop over the San Francisco peaks and the Mogollon Rim region, and steering flow is going to push these storms gradually toward the west through the afternoon hours. It looks like the best coverage today may end up being western portions of Coconino County, southward into Yavapai County, and this is probably the area that will see the greatest likelihood for heavy rain and maybe some isolated flash flooding. Of course, we can't rule out a stronger storm today that could produce some gusty winds and hail as well, but the primary threat today is going to be locally heavy rainfall and isolated areas of flash flooding. We'd like to take a look at the next few days here as well, just to give you an idea of what's coming up. We are looking at a ramp up in monsoon activity as a weather disturbance moves into the region later this week. So we expect widespread showers and thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. During this period, we're going to see the greatest potential for heavy rain and flash flooding this week. We're expecting there could be some nighttime flooding possible. It looks like thunderstorms will continue well into the evening and maybe even overnight hours during this time frame. There is a flash flood watch out. This is a time to be prepared if you have outdoor plans over the next few days. This is the time to think ahead and maybe try to rearrange your plans and rethink outdoor activities during this time frame. Please stay updated with us over the coming days as this pattern evolves, and we will talk to you soon. We'll be back tomorrow. Thanks.